Hey friends! Keeping your car battery healthy is vital, but having a powerful jump starter ensures you're never stranded on the road. In this video, we're taking a look at the best portable car jump starters in 2026, known for their real quality and performance. I've put this list together based on my personal opinion and hours of research, considering popularity, quality, price, durability, user feedback, and more. If you want more details and the latest prices, check out the description below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more honest tech reviews. Let's dive right in. Starting with our first, the SZO ET03 car battery jump starter. This unit is a formidable emergency device that every driver should consider for their roadside kit. With a staggering peak current of 4000 A, it effortlessly breathes life into all 12V vehicles, handling massive gas engines up to 8.0 L and diesel variants up to 7.0 L. What truly distinguishes this model is the innovative force start function, a lifesaver that can revive batteries that have dropped to a complete 0V. Beyond its primary role, the ET03 serves as a high-capacity 74Wh portable power bank featuring dual 5V/2A USB ports for rapid charging of your essential electronics. Safety remains a paramount concern, as the device integrates 10 layers of intelligent protection against short circuits and reverse polarity. It is also equipped with a brilliant 600-lumen LED flashlight that includes strobe and SOS modes for nighttime visibility. Built to endure extreme climates from -4 to 140 degrees Fahrenheit, this durable and lightweight tool is backed by a full 2-year service guarantee for your total peace of mind. Next up, our second product, the NOCO GB40 jump starter. Compact enough to tuck away in a standard glove box, this device offers a surprising 1000 amps of peak lithium power. It is capable of delivering up to 20 jump starts on a single charge, making it ideal for engines up to 6.0 L gasoline and 3.0 L diesel. The inclusion of patented ultra-safe technology provides a foolproof experience by ensuring the connection is completely spark-proof and protected against reverse polarity. You can also utilize this unit as a reliable portable power bank to recharge your smartphones or tablets in as little as 3 hours. The integrated 100-lumen LED flashlight is highly versatile, offering 7 distinct light modes including emergency SOS and strobe functions. Its rugged design features an IP65 rated housing, meaning it is built to resist water, dust, and heavy impacts during rough use. Weighing only 2.5 pounds, it uses high-conductivity clamps to maximize energy transfer to your dead battery. This essential kit includes heavy-duty clamps and a microfiber storage bag, along with a 1-year warranty for reliable long-term support. Coming in at number 3, the Wolfbox Megavolt 24 jump starter. This high-capacity powerhouse is the ultimate all-in-one emergency solution for those who drive larger vehicles or commercial trucks. Featuring a massive 24,000 mAh internal battery and 4,000 A peak current, it can jumpstart 12V engines under 10 liters with absolute ease. The high-definition LCD screen provides a crystal-clear display of your operational status and battery percentages, ensuring you are never guessing in a crisis. One of its most impressive features is the 65W USB-C quick charging capability, which allows the entire unit to reach a full charge in just 1.3 hours. It also doubles as a versatile laptop and tablet power bank, thanks to the QC 3.0 USB-A and PD65W fast charging outputs. Rated at IP64, it is engineered to survive extreme temperatures ranging from -4 to 140 degrees while remaining resistant to dust and splashes. The one-touch booster function is specifically designed to revive low-voltage batteries instantly, and the multi-mode LED light ensures you can see clearly while working under the hood in total darkness. Now, let's talk about our fourth, the Yabberto YA910 in-1 multifunctional jump starter. This device is widely considered the ultimate road trip companion because it merges an 8000 A starter with a high-speed cordless digital inflator. It can jumpstart any 12V gas or 12.0 L diesel engine while also being capable of pumping a car tire to 30 psi in just 2 minutes. The expansive 3.3-inch LCD screen provides a sophisticated interface to monitor real-time tire pressure and battery health indicators simultaneously. For off-grid power needs, it features a lightning-fast 65W USB-C output and a unique 160W DC output designed for in-car appliances like portable refrigerators or dedicated air compressors. Its safety suite includes 10 built-in protections, ensuring a spark-proof experience even for those who have never used a jump starter before. The 600-lumen LED lights offer 4 distinct modes to enhance safety during roadside breakdowns, while the retractable handle makes it remarkably easy to carry. This durable and lightweight kit comes complete with heavy-duty cables, multiple adapters, and a rugged carrying case, all supported by a comprehensive 2-year warranty for every adventure. And last but certainly not least, our final pick, the Wolfbox jump starter and air compressor. This all-in-one power station is a true marvel of engineering for the modern driver who wants to be prepared for any mechanical failure. It combines a 16,000 mAh battery and a peak current of 3000 A, allowing it to start completely dead 12V batteries for engines up to 8L gas or 6L diesel. The high-performance 45 liters per minute motor inside the unit can inflate SUV and pickup truck tires in just minutes, significantly reducing your downtime on the side of the road. It also features a 65W USB-C fast charging port, which allows the device to be fully recharged in only 1.5 hours, making it ready for use whenever you need it. You can utilize its USB-A and DC continuous outputs to power your mobile electronics or other 12V gear while camping or traveling. The unit is rated IP64 for durability and includes 10 safety protections, ensuring it operates safely down to -4 degrees Fahrenheit in extreme winter weather. With its 400-lumen LED flashlight and specialized booster mode, this device is a critical addition to any car emergency kit, providing both power and inflation in one compact package. Thanks for watching Auto Garage. We hope this video helped you find the perfect automotive gear and accessories for your ride. If you found it useful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to support the channel. Got any questions about the products or need help choosing the right one? Drop them in the comments below, we're always here to help. Stay tuned for more top automotive picks, honest reviews, and the latest car gadgets, right here on Auto Garage. See you in the next one.